Hey everyone, and welcome back to Elevate Mindset. Ready to stop reacting and start creating? In this video, we're diving into the powerful habits that successful people use to master their minds and design. Do you know the most dangerous thing in the world? It's not failure. It's not rejection. It's not even poverty. The most dangerous thing is ignorance, the choice to stop learning. Because the moment you stop learning, you stop growing. The moment you stop growing, you start dying inside. But here's the secret. If you educate yourself every single day, even just a little, your life will transform beyond anything you can imagine. Today, I'm going to show you why daily learning is your greatest superpower, how the most successful people in the world use it, and how you can start unlocking the power of daily education right now. Think about this. The average person reads less than one book a year, but the average millionaire, they read at least a book a week. Is that a coincidence? Absolutely not. Knowledge is leverage. Knowledge is opportunity. Knowledge is freedom. Every time you pick up a book, watch an educational video, listen to a podcast, or take notes from a mentor, you are feeding your brain the tools it needs to create a better life. Pushpin Jim Rohn once said, "Formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune." And it's true. Daily learning doesn't just make you smarter. It makes you more confident. It makes you more adaptable. It makes you unstoppable. Let's look at the greats. Elon Musk didn't go to school to build rockets. He read books. He educated himself. He devoured knowledge every single day until he knew enough to create SpaceX. Oprah Winfrey, she grew up in poverty, but she never stopped learning. She turned her love for reading and self-education into wisdom that helped her inspire millions. Benjamin Franklin, one of America's founding fathers, had less than 2 years of formal education, but he became a scientist, inventor, writer, and leader because he made daily learning his religion. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, spends 80% of his day reading and learning. Do you see the pattern? It's not about luck. It's about hunger, the hunger to learn something new every single day. Here's the magic. Learning works like compound interest. If you commit to learning just 30 minutes a day, reading, studying, listening, that adds up to 180 hours in a year. That's like taking 4 full college courses every single year without paying a dime. Now imagine doing that for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. You would be decades ahead of the average person. While others waste time scrolling endlessly on social media, you'd be stacking knowledge, stacking wisdom, stacking skills. And here's the truth. Skills pay the bills. Wisdom builds empires. Now you might ask, okay, but what should I learn every day? Here's your blueprint. Learn about your craft. Whatever field you're in, master it. Read books, study leaders, follow the best. Learn about money. Financial literacy is the foundation of freedom. Don't just work for money. Learn how money works for you. Learn about people. Psychology, communication, leadership. These skills will take you further than talent alone. Learn about yourself. Meditation, journaling, reflection. The more you understand you, the more power you have over your choices. Learn something new. Step outside your field. Curiosity sparks creativity. This way, every day you're not just consuming information, you're upgrading your brain like the latest software update. Okay, so how do you make this a lifestyle? Here are 7 daily habits of lifelong learners. Keycap 1, read at least 20 pages a day. It takes 15 minutes, but it could change your life. Keycap 2, listen to podcasts while commuting. Turn wasted time into university time. Keycap 3, watch 1 educational video daily. YouTube, TED Talks, masterclasses. Choose growth, not gossip. Keycap 4, write down what you learn. A short note every day builds a library of wisdom. Keycap 5, teach someone else. If you can explain it, you've mastered it. Keycap 6, surround yourself with learners. Your environment will shape your mindset. Keycap 7, stay curious. Ask questions. Seek answers. Never be afraid to admit you don't know. That's where learning begins. Do this for 30 days straight, and your mindset will shift forever. Here's the truth people don't talk about. Daily learning isn't just about making money or building success. It's about freedom. Because when you learn daily, no one can lie to you. No one can manipulate you. No one can stop you from growing. You become unshakable. Your mind becomes your weapon, your shield, your best friend. And the best part? Learning is the one thing no one can ever take away from you. If you lose your job, your money, your status, your knowledge stays. And that knowledge will rebuild everything you lost, faster and stronger. So let me leave you with this. Every single day, you have a choice. To scroll, to waste time, to stay the same, or to pick up a book, to learn a new skill, to feed your mind. One path leads to regret. The other leads to greatness. The question is, which path will you choose? Because the most successful people on this planet are not the strongest, not the luckiest, not even the smartest. They are simply the ones who chose to learn every single day. So starting today, commit to daily learning. Commit to becoming better. Commit to unlocking your mind. Because when you educate yourself every day, you don't just change what you know. You change who you are. And once you change who you are, nothing in this world can stop you. This is your time, your chance, your life. Books educate yourself every day and unlock the power of daily learning.